I have a package from Pretty Mix Studio. I'm so excited. I almost killed my hand today. Everybody knows about it on Snapchat and on Instagram. I slammed my finger in the door. It hurts so bad. Oh my god. It's this one. So anyway, this is what that was for. I wanted to craft so bad. Okay. Anyway, I've been making and making and making, and now it's like my finger broke off. Pretty much. I was like, I never felt such excruciating pain. It was throbbing. It's still throbbing. Okay. I ordered some stuff from A Cherry on Top, and I got this. I really wanted all the collection, but they don't have it. And then, like, I go to scrapbook.com, and some of it is even being discontinued. So I'm like, what the freak? Anyway, you guys, I've been making... Oh, I'm so excited to show you. I'll show you... Look at these. Because I'm not going to tell you about them yet. Well, I'll tell you about them, but you don't know who they're going to or whatever. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Okay. This, yeah, you can see it, is so cute. Look at this. Mini little bag topper. Oh gosh, I don't want to hit my finger. Isn't that cute? And then look what else I made. I know I seen this on Instagram. I don't know who did it. I don't know where I saw it or anything. It might have been in a hashtag, but they're little mini sequin mixes. Oh my god, I had to. So I was using... I feel like my finger is going to just Frankenstein off. I was using these, and then like I cut this half down off on two of them. So I just sewed them together, and then I made that. Isn't that cute? And then, oh, shoot, oh my gosh, I was cutting out, I think it's confetti and notes and things. These little things, I think, is what I have for my cut aparts. Oh my gosh, yep, cut aparts. Digital collections. Feel bad for me, okay? Anyway, okay, here's the last one I'm going to show you. Oh, are you kidding? Look at that! I love it. I love it. I love that. It's so cute, right? And how I just like flipped it up. Look at those little cute sequins right there. Those are like a table scatter. I got them from Allie. Little diamonds. And then look at that. And then I did it so that it would all coordinate, you know, like if you wanted to open it all up and use it all at once, you know. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I did that, and I'm going to send that out, and then I did that. I love it. And I've been making more stuff, but you don't get to see it. Yeah. And then I'm going to do a little baby Memdex. Ah! Okay. So let's see what's in here. Oh, look at this. I got these today at Dollar General. Ha ha. Isn't that cute? Okay. So I had to order this because I saw Jenny Craft Creations. Hello. She had a bunch of stuff. I said, what? I need it all. And then I went and ordered. Oh my gosh. You guys know Pretty Mix Studio on Etsy. Yep, that's where I got it. This is really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute... I don't want to open it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute bag. What is... Oh, nice. I love these. I love these. I use these all the time. They're all the same color. I love them. I love them. I use them all the time. I don't have any really clear. I think I have blue and pink. Okay. Eek! I'm so excited, and I can't wait to put my freaking ice pack back on my finger. Okay. Isn't this pretty? I know it looks like I'm being a baby, but I swear it hurts. I swear it hurts. And I swear it's just, it gets so swollen. It feels fake. I don't even know what that means, but it does. Okay. Look at what I got, you guys. Oh, I don't love it. Oh, now I know why Jenny is like, eek. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I have a pastel collection I got from Etsy last year. And then I didn't even know Bonnie got it too. And I was like, I have the same one. So I thought this would be so... Oh, that is so pretty. I'm like, did I order that? I probably did. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And you know what? I was really sad because I didn't get Hey Pumpkin last year, but I was looking on AC Digitals and I could just buy it digitally. So I might just do that because I think that is so pretty to go with it. And I got this one. Oh, I love it. I think Jenny showed this. Oh, this one is called Pasteloween. Oh, I love how she did that. So that's called Pasteloween. Ow. Ah. Oh my gosh. Look at it. I love it. Oops. Wow. Really? Of course, only me. Hey, the last video I did, or the one before that, my son did for me. Wasn't that nice? I just gave him my iPhone and I was like, here, you said you wanted to. And he did that. So maybe he'll do it on this. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I can't. The struggle is legit real right now. Oh my gosh. Only I would do that. Look at the cute little ghost. I love it so much. Oh, I love it. I just painted my nails right before I slammed it in the door. I've been wanting to put my long ones on, but I've been cleaning and working so much. Okay. This is called Bear. I thought this would go with, what's it called? Fresh Bouquet. Because I'm really liking that, and I think it would be really nice for, see how pretty that is? For, what's it called? Fall. Because I think the, what is it called? Auburn Lane? Yeah, that'd be nice. With Auburn Lane too for fall. I like that. And then I got these. These are so pretty for Fresh Bouquet because I really want to use Fresh Bouquet for like autumn crafting and stuff. Gosh, I wish I want to show you guys some stuff so bad, but I gotta make VRs. I made one VR, but I haven't sent it out because I keep thinking more things to add. That's for Rose. So it's like, I just need to get it out, but I just keep thinking, okay, I want to add this, I want to add that, I want to do this, I want to do that. I wish I didn't have to rip these open. I keep forgetting. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at these, you guys. I think you get 10 of them. Oh, I love that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Those are nice. Those are nice. I love those. And I think you get 10 for... Oh, I don't know. 10 for 5? My address is right there. Okay, you get 20 for $3. Heck yeah. That's nice. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty too to put on tassels. I love them. I'm probably going to order different colors too because I don't think she had those. Oh, sorry, I'm not even in frame. And then that is it. I don't think there's anything else to show you right now. No. Oh, I'm so excited for all my crafting. So I hope I can get some done here in a minute. Oh, I just love these two. I just love these. I love all of this vibe. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Thank you. Go check out Pretty Mix Studio on Etsy. She has so many pretty things. I'm so glad Jenny showed us. Bye, guys.